It's not a question of if, it's a question of when this will happen, and if we're prepared, then we can respond in the most efficient way.
Today's chemical decontamination drill was all about preparation. The scenario, the mock victims at Mountain View Co-op in Conrad puncture a tank and get a sizable serving of dangerous chemicals. It's time to call 911.
We have a chemical emergency at our warehouse.
Paging Conrad Fire Department and EMS. We have a chemical spill at 112 Solid Road. 2 people have been exposed to insecticide.
For the emergency responders, part of what they need to do is to actually find out what's going on the scene before they go in. You know, what kind of chemical is it? What do they need to do as they go into the scene? We don't want them just rushing into the scene because then they become part of the scene.
Even before help arrives, there's often steps you can take.
Today's victims reacted by removing clothing and decontaminating in a shower, but every chemical is different, and that's why it's crucial to know what chemicals you're using and how to react if you're exposed.
And while today's dry run may not have felt like an emergency, it was key to being ready for the real thing.
Drills like this are so important because it shows how we all work together. Planning is always great, but it's the process and the communications between departments that really makes a difference.
We identified things that we thought went well and things that we definitely will work on improving for the next either drill or real patient.
Hoping for the best while preparing for the worst. In Conrad, Joe Huizinga, MTN News.